Welcome to GOYUM Screw Press. 120 tons per day multi-seed oil extraction plant is installed in Uganda by GOYUM Screw Press. The project is designed with 2 units of triple-chamber oil press model GOYUM 1500. As you can see, the conditioned seeds are squeezed along the length of the oil press. The final pressed cake is discharged from the press at the cone end. The mixture of oil and foot seeps out from the gaps in the press chambers and is conveyed by the inbuilt oil and foot screw conveyor. The whole system is controlled electrically by a centralized control panel. The mixture of oil and foods is automatically conveyed to a vibro separator where large foods are separated from the oil. This pre-cleaned oil is stored in an underground oil settling tank. The separated foods from the vibro separator are recycled back to the pressing unit using a sludge return conveyor. The pre-cleaned oil is sent to filter press for final filtration. Here you can see the complete seed cleaning section, partial dehulling section, material handling equipment, and steam generation and distribution section. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.